Hello, everybody. I'm, I've come up with a short video on how we need to send an email when we request for payment against credit terms. Whenever you have to send an email to a customer whose payment is coming to us against uploading an invoice on their portal. So when you then send across an email to such a customer, what all is the input in that email that you need to send to the customer is very important. I'll share with you today the screen where I have sent an email to Coromandel. Largely, is the team where whenever you have a purchase order released, and normally we give them credit terms. So in that case, after the material is dispatched, depending on the terms, what I mean by terms is how many days they would release the payment after the material is reached their site. To get into that frame that it makes it convenient for them to release our payment, we have to upload the invoice on their portal. I've shared earlier a video on how to upload our invoice on their portal, requesting you all to refer it whenever you have a payment which is supposed to be released by Coromandel. Now I'm giving once you have that amount that invoice uploaded, parallelly it's always better to write an email to the customer informing them that you have already uploaded the invoice on their portal. To share this email, the beginning is very simple. You write the subject line, that is payment release request. Reference is always against the purchase order, their purchase order number dated, and our contract number. Now, this particular uh, in matter that I'm going to put up in that, whenever you upload the payment on their portal, I would always suggest that after your screen is ideally when you come to the last screen, that is they give you a reference number against your uploading the invoice. I would suggest, if possible, please take a screenshot of that reference number. And to take a screenshot, it's a very simple procedure. You just have an option of print screen on your desktop. You just simply click on that, open up a blank Word page. Just click on Control P. It will save the screenshot. Just save that screenshot and keep it saved for you so that you can attach in this mail and share with the customer. Okay, so the mail that I'm going to send now is against a piping order that we had received. So I'm writing, we understand that you have received the pipings at your works against the above referred purchase order. We have uploaded the final invoice on your portal through reference number. See, this is the reference number which I'm talking about when you upload the invoice on their portal. And in bracket, I've mentioned screenshot attach. So you are going to attach that screenshot. I'm just opening up the screen over here. See, this is basically the type of, the screen that you will receive when you are going to upload the invoice. It will give you this reference number. This is their portal, and the screen is something which I mentioned. I've saved it. So this opens up, and parallelly you're going to attach the digitally signed invoice also. Since you're going to upload a digitally signed invoice on their portal, you're already going to save this on your system. So might as well attach the invoice also, which is digitally signed, for them to refer easily. We request you to release the payment at the earliest. And I've also mentioned, also find attached a digitally signed invoice number in whatever is our invoice number for your easy reference. Okay, so this is what you send to the customer. I've taken a reference here for Coromandel. There can be similar sites like you have, for example, I'll say you need to also upload invoices like Reliance. You might have to upload invoices for other companies where there are portals and they want you to upload the invoice over there so that the payment can be easily released. So this is what I would suggest. If always keep in mind these small things, taking a screenshot, sending a digitally signed invoice, attaching it also to this mail when you send it. Okay, so that's all for the day. Thank you for your time, people. Thanks a lot. Have a nice day.